Workshop.
Don't worry, because we have a Nail Your Niche workshop, a great resource.
Otherwise, I would have gone on a workshop for how to hug your inner elf. You know, I'm not into the fluffy stuff.
In this workshop, we'll explore songwriting, we'll explore musicianship, we'll explore the recording process.
Switch it up as you go. Make it a workshop. Create a hypothesis roadmap on your own and then vet it with peers.
Andy comes back to work from an anger management workshop because he had punched a hole in the wall, and Jim immediately tries to make Andy angry again.
The flirting workshop. You can click on the link in the description or anywhere on this page and you can access that training.
This workshop doesn't make superheroes, we make super slaves.
So we're also going to be exploring your writing workshop.
And in the workshop, we usually have a team of about 50 people.
It's the workshop that I run for helping mothers who have had traumatic births.
And then when they're in the workshop, we do multiple things.
Workshop.